What we need is of course the cable. RJ45, a wire stripper, crimping tool, and last, a LAN tester. First thing you need to do is to cut the outer jacket using a wire stripper. Roll the wire stripper on the cable to cut the outer jacket. After you remove the outer jacket, align and arrange the wires with the color coding of T568B. Next is, cut the end of the wire using a crimping tool to make the wire length equal. And then, using the RJ45, insert the wires inside of it and lock the RJ45 using a crimping tool. And then, you need a cutter to cut the excess wire. And that's it. Repeat the same process on the other side of the cable.
What's up, man?
And then, you need the LAN tester to see if the wires are connected properly.